quick hotel tour of Aspery Hotel. This is the deluxe room, or no, this is superior room. So once you enter the door, you will see this, and this is basically, that's it. So this is basically the hotel, and then to your left is where the toilet is. So there's your usual toilet, and then you have a mirror here. Look there. Just one sink, hair dryer stuff, and then the shower is here with a glass. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then over here, that's just like where you can put your stuff. And then here's your closet. I already put my bag inside, so ta-da, that's my bag. There's a safe, and these are hangers for your clothes. Let's close that. And over here is a mirror. Hello there again. And then here is your bed. So for this one I got the king size, even though I'm just alone, so that's good. And then the AC is over there. And then there's like another just area over here. Got your sockets, stuff, curtains, and yep, it's already like after sunset, so that's pretty much just the view. But we do have like a small balcony, but I won't really consider that balcony. I will go there later. So yeah, we just have this small fridge. We have here the usual stuff. My phone's there. The usual, there's a kettle, at least there's coffee and all that. There's free water. Yeah, and then there's just a TV. And you have a small desk. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's a light for outside. Let's turn that on. And we're gonna go back. And yeah, you can see the hotel from the other side. So let's just try to see what's out here. It's just a sliding door. And then it's just like a small balcony. I won't really consider this a balcony, but it's just like where the AC unit is. Yeah, but at least just like an open space. And at least, oh, what is this for? Oh yeah, I think this is something where you can hang your wet clothes. So yeah, so there's just the view from the outside. That's just the parking area. That's, if I'm not wrong, that's Nap Hotel. And I actually had my very first meal in Thailand at their restaurant, and it was really, really nice. Yep, so that's just the road, which I forgot the name, but I can just like link it there. And then yeah, that's just the other side. So yeah, this is just the balcony area. So we're just gonna go in, back again. That's the view. So this is what the room looks like from this side. Yep. We have a bed. It's a very huge bed. For a single person. Let's just close the curtain. Yeah, that is pretty much it. And that's the door where you walk out. And yeah, so we'll check out the other areas, like the breakfast areas. And they do have a massage like area just attached to the hotel, so that's really nice. Okay, so their pool is located on the 5th floor, so it's a rooftop kind of pool. And yeah, so we have here some beds, and for what it looks like, you can also get a massage in here. And then there's also like these standing beds, and of course the pool area. What's in here? So it also looks like there's a place in which you can do some barbecue and all that stuff. Yeah, so there's just an open space and the view of Phuket, like more of the mountain area. And the view of the sea. So you can see the pool from the other side actually of the hotel. I think if I'm not wrong that's Andaman. But if that's wrong, I'll just link it below, like what hotel that is actually, like on the other side over there. Ooh, there's another hotel over there actually. Let's go up. So you can go even higher. Oh my god, that's a bird. Hello. There's a set of like beds, so you can just like chill out, and you can see Patong Beach from here. Yep, another hotel that side. And beautiful sky. Yep, so this is the view of the pool from this view deck area. Oh, and that's the Royal Paradise Hotel. I don't know if you're familiar with it. And definitely like Bangla Road is somewhere over there and Patong Beach is just right over there. Okay, let's go back down again. So there's also like a shower area. I don't know what's in here. There's a toilet area. Yeah. So there's a view of the pool from this side.